we'll guide you through how to use Google Sheets functions effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Sheets on your web browser and select the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once you have your spreadsheet open, you need to decide on the function you want to use. Let's say you want to use the sum function, which is one of the most commonly used functions. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Then, type an equal sign followed by the word sum and an open parenthesis. Now, you can either manually type the range of cells you want to sum, like A1, A10, or click and drag to select the cells directly in the spreadsheet. Once you've selected the range, close the parenthesis and press Enter. You'll see the sum of the selected cells appear in the cell you chose. For other functions like average, max, or min, the steps are similar. Just replace sum with the function name you need. If you're unsure about what a function does, you can hover over it in the function list to get a quick description. Remember, functions are a powerful way to automate calculations and save time. If you make a mistake, you can always use the undo function by pressing Ctrl+Z. Don't be afraid to experiment with different functions to see how they can help you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.